Hi, welcome to Moments with Marshai, where we discuss handbags and lifestyle and fashion and beauty. And today we are going through the 5 bags that are on my luxury wish list. Yes, I am so excited to share this with you all. So before we get started, please click on like and subscribe because that helps us to grow the channel. So thank you. Well, at the beginning of the year, I started making a wish list of bags that I really want to try to get this year. And if not, maybe Santa will help me out at the end of the year. So as the year has been going by, I've been adding to the list and taking from the list. And I did receive one of the bags that was on my list, which was the Coach 34. Since I took that one off, I added a couple more. So let's dive into this list. Now, the first bag that I have on this list is the Celine 16. Celine is well known for the quality of their bags, the design, very classic, very demure. Last year, everybody, that was the word of the year. And their bags translate well from business and church and teas and brunches and hanging out, and it's just, she is just that girl. She's a chameleon type bag, and I absolutely love this bag. When I saw the Celine 16, and I just said, you know what, this is the bag. And it comes in the classic style, which is the largest style. It comes in 3 colors: black, a dark green, and a British tan. And it is made out of calfskin leather, and it's very soft and it's very supple, but it's constructed well, so it does hold its shape. You can wear this bag. It's got a top handle. You can wear it as a crossbody. You can wear her on your shoulder. And this bag is just absolutely gorgeous. If I were to get her, I would go for her in the British tan or the green. I've got a lot of black bags, and in the black is beautiful, but it doesn't move me as much as in the British tan. So that's bag number 1. Bag number 2 is from Coach. It is the Hamilton Hobo. And the Hamilton Hobo reminds me very much of the Gucci Jackie bag. It's the same type of design, but the Gucci Jackie is over $3,400, where with the Coach Hamilton Hobo, it's priced at a high point of $325. They have it in a myriad of colors. I think it's got about 10 colors. The color that I would select would be the silver chalk, and that's going for $295, because right now I don't have that many light bags in my collection, and I have some in the other room. Therefore, I would want to add that in, and it is a beautiful bag. The shape is timeless. I do have a Hampton here. This bag is in the bright pink, but yeah, she's more of a statement bag, but I really do love that design. The third bag on my list is from Loewe. You know I had to have a Loewe on here. Y'all know that, right? It is the Madrid, and she is flying off the shelves. She is a very popular bag. Loewe's leather, the construction, the designs are timeless. They are statement pieces. They are not something that you're going to see everywhere. And because of the quality and the softness of the leather, they, like I said, they just fly off the shelves. And the Madrid is definitely that girl. With the Madrid, it comes in 3 different sizes. I like the Madrid in the medium size, and I would go for the burgundy. I really would. I think it's stunning in burgundy. I also like it in the olive color. It's something about the olive this year, you guys. And it's absolutely gorgeous. You can wear her on your shoulder. You can either wear her crossbody. You can wear her as a top handle. And it comes with a pad on the shoulder where you can put that you can move that around, and by just moving that pad, that grip on the shoulder, and you can give that bag a completely different look. I will insert definitely insert some pictures so you guys can see what I mean. But I do love the Madrid. I have not had an opportunity to see her in person yet, but from what I'm hearing in the handbag community, they cannot keep the Madrids on the shelf. So if you have an opportunity to go to a Loewe store near you, or a Saks or a Neiman's, and see if they do have that bag in there, and if they do, just give it a rub. Just give it a rub for me. The next bag on my list is the biker bag from Louis Vuitton. It is a new design. It is edgy. It is fresh. It is, we're going to go out and we're going to dance tonight. We're going to listen to loud music. We're going to let our hair down. Or we're going to be out here in these YouTube, TikTok streets having a ball kind of bag. And she is beautiful. Comes, the size that I really like the bag in is the PM. I would go for the black. Even though I said I got a lot of black, I'm not really a big fan of the lighter color, because the leather looks, it's very textured in the center of the bag. And with the lighter color having the black overlay, it's kind of like a black, and as it relates to the leather, it looks like it's kind of peeling in the lighter color, or it looks like maybe you had on jeans and you rubbed it against your jeans. So it's kind of I'm not a big fan of it at all, but in the black it looks stunning to me. And the models have it with charms and various ornaments, and I just think it just pushes the bag up a notch. I really do like this bag. It is priced at $4,300. So yeah, she is definitely on the list. Maybe Santa Claus will hey Santa. Okay, next bag is the dual bag from Marc Jacobs. Now, Marc Jacobs has been doing the thing for the last few years. You have the bucket bag, you have the tote bag, you have the duffel bag, and his products, when you see a Marc Jacobs bag, people are just like, oh, I just love this bag. And you ask them, well, why? Because of the size, because of the comfort. Great bag, excellent price. You know, it's the quality and it's affordable luxury. The bag that I have on my list is the dual bag, but in the cloud white. Once again, I'm going for a lighter design. It comes in the smoother calfskin leather as well as in a quilted leather. I don't want another quilted bag. I already have quite a few of them in my collection. So I think I would go for the cloud white. I would go for the large, and the large is priced at $4.95, which is not bad for a bag of this size and this caliber. So those are the 5 bags that I have on my list, but I am going to give it an honorable, I'm going to add one more as an honorable mention. The Tory Burch Romy Tote. Now that bag is beautiful to me. It looks sculptural. I like, it kind of reminds me of the Poland bag. But I like the colors that Tori has selected too. And I love it in it's a light gray. I think I would go for that bag in the gray. Yeah, I wouldn't go for the large. In this bag, I would go for the medium size. And the medium is at $428, which is also, which I would call affordable luxury, because the quality of the leather, the design. With her, I have a few of her bags in my collection. They've all held up very well, and I am a fan of Tory Burch. So those are the bags that I have on my list. Please hit me down in the comments and let me know if you're going to add any of these bags to your list, if you have any of these bags and what you think about them. And yeah, like I said, I mean, this is my list, is ever changing. So thank you for supporting this video. Please click on like and subscribe, because that helps us to grow our channel. And share this video with your family and friends, okay? Because in that way they can become part of the community too. So until the next time, Thank you for supporting. Take care of yourself and